Welcome. AI-assisted coding is amazing, but relying on cloud-based models means you are always dependent on an internet connection, you have to pay for subscriptions, and you are sending your proprietary code base to external servers. What if you could bring that power entirely local right inside VS Code for free? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a completely private AI coding assistant for VS Code using Ollama and an extension called Continue. Everything will run on your own machine. Let's get started. First, we need the engine to run our AI. Head over to Ollama.com and download the installer for your operating system. Once installed, the Ollama desktop application window will pop up. Here in the Launch tab, you can see the commands to install models, and in the Chat tab, you can interact with them once they are downloaded. We don't have any models yet, so let's close the window for now. A crucial step is ensuring your system knows where Ollama is installed. Let's navigate to the installation folder and confirm Ollama.exe is there. Next, open Edit the System Environment Variables in the Windows, click Environment Variables and verify that Ollama path has been added to your path variable. Now, let's switch to an already open VS Code window. If we open the integrated terminal and type Ollama -- version, we get an error. Why? Because VS Code was opened before we installed Ollama, so the terminal has not inherited the new environment variables yet. Simply restart VS Code, open the terminal, try the command again, and it successfully detects Ollama. If we type Ollama list, we see it's completely empty. Let's grab a model. Back on Ollama.com, click the Models tab. You will see a lot of options based on your project needs and system capabilities. We are going to use Qwen3-Coder. If you dig into the model page, there are several versions. Because my machine is running an RTX 5060 laptop GPU with 8 GB of VRAM and 64 GB of RAM, I am choosing the 8 billion parameter version. At 5.2 GB with a 40K context window, it's small enough to run completely fast locally, but powerful enough for complex programming tasks. Copy the installation command, paste it into the VS Code terminal and let it download. Once installed, let's do a quick test. In the terminal, type write Python marshot. It instantly explains and outputs the code right there in the terminal, confirming the engine is working. You can also open the Ollama desktop app, select the new chat, choose our install model, and write the same prompt here. The response will be identical, but we want this integrated directly into our code editor. To connect Ollama to our editor, open the VS Code extension marketplace and search for Continue. Make sure it's the one published by the Continue.dev. Think of Continue as the interface while Ollama is the background engine. Once installed, click the new Continue icon in your activity bar. Click Add Chat Model, select Ollama as the provider, and click Connect. This generates a configuration file. I'm going to quickly update this file with our specific setup details, mapping out the provider, the API base, and the model name, also the roles. Next, click the gear icon in the Continue panel to open the settings. Switch the chat option over to agent mode. Then go to the tool section and set everything to automatic. This is incredibly important. It gives the AI permission to read and write files directly into your workspace without asking for manual confirmation for every single step. Restart VS Code one more time to lock everything in. Set up an empty workspace folder. Open the Continue panel and ensure agent mode is selected. Let's give it a prompt. Create a new file named index.html. Write a simple, modern, dark-themed landing page for a coffee shop. Include a header, a hero section with a button, and basic embedded CSS. While the model is thinking, let's check our system performance. Open the terminal and type Ollama ps. This command tells us exactly how Ollama is running the model. As you can see, our model is running 100% on the GPU. If your GPU could not accommodate the whole model, Ollama would automatically split the load between your CPU RAM and your GPU. And here is the magic. The AI used its tool access to generate the code and automatically create the index.html file right in our folder. Let's right-click and open the page in the integrated browser. That's our site. But let's iterate on it. I'll tell the agent, add a JavaScript function that makes the hero button change the color when clicked. It updates the index.html file automatically. If we click the button in the browser, the color changes from vibrant red to light red. However, against a dark theme, this change a bit too subtle, so let's refine it. I will prompt make the button green by default. The code updates, we refresh the browser, and the button is now green. Click it and the color change works perfectly. There you have it. A powerful, completely free and entirely private local AI coding assistant right in the VS Code. You are not paying a dime for the subscription and your code never leaves your machine. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comment. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, happy coding.